Having your boat as your pride and joy is just one part of it. Putting that boat onto the correct trailer is just so imperative, because the reality is you're towing your boat for miles and miles up and down the road. You do more miles on the road than you do on the water. So you need to have your baby sitting on just the right thing. And one of the great things the crew at Bar Crusher do is fit every boat to an easy tow trailer that is specifically designed to suit their hull. There's great features. You've got Japanese bearings, you've got Goodyear tires, the guards are really heavy duty so you can stand on them. There's great wiring looms through with LED lights, but it's the key features of the boat added to this that make these so good. One thing I really love is the keel roll trailer. So the keel of the boat sits on this when you're towing it up and down the road. The keel of the boat is the strongest part of your hull, so it makes sense that that's where all the weight rests. These guide bars here are all part of the self-centering system of this trailer. And I really love that at the back end here, if you can get the nose of the boat between there and there, it will guide into that keel roller system as you drive it forward. These skids moving up keep the boat nice and straight, and then these rollers here, they're what give it the support. It's all it needs is just a bit of support so it sits there nicely on the trailer. It's all very heavily built, so you'll get thousands and thousands of kilometers out of this trailer without anything going wrong. But one of the other little features, and it's often the little features that make the difference. This is one thing I love. The number plate system at the back here. I can tell you now, we've all lost number plates off our trailers. It drives you crazy. But with this system here, that back plate swings like that. Your number plate won't fall off if you hit a gutter or just through traveling thousands of kilometers. It saves number plates and it saves fines. The Easy Tow trailers are built for these boats, and there's nothing you wouldn't want under them other than one of these.